My name's Mark Derry. I'm the CEO here at Unimaq. I'm basically responsible for the business on a day-to-day basis. We've been in business for about 30 years now. The company was started by Bertie de Jong, who's still the owner today, so it's a privately owned business. So Unimaq is a manufacturer of two-piece aluminium beverage cans decorating machines. We print the logos on the outside of cans, so if you take a Coca-Cola can or a Pepsi-Cola can or a beer can that you see in the supermarkets, our machines typically print those. They're very sophisticated machines, they work at very high speed, so one of our decorators typically prints up to 2,500 cans per minute. The measuring machines that we use have to be very accurate, very robust. We need good consistency and repeatability. So that's why Vici is an ideal machine for us to use. Quite significantly improved our inspection process and speeded things up because of the pure volume of parts that we're inspecting on a day-to-day basis. The mandrel that we use a lot of. Previously we used to measure them by hand using verniers, micrometers, height gauges, that sort of thing. You know, when you work into the degree of accuracy we're talking about here, it took a long time. It wasn't always accurate and a laborious process. So given the volume of parts that we have to measure to that degree, it was a very slow, painful process, and it actually created quite a significant bottleneck in the business, most of which has been eliminated by the Vici system.
It's a tool that we use on a daily basis. It is in constant use, not just for production items. It's very good for reverse engineering parts. There's features that will do G-tolerancing, concentricities, runouts, cylindricities, which are all incredibly useful for a lot of our parts. It picked up errors that our previous inspections weren't picking up.
Since we installed the VICIVISION, we've seen a massive increase in the throughput through inspection. Just the huge time saving to put a shaft into the device, get a printout makes a massive difference. So it's increased our production quite significantly. We also inspect the parts that we buy in from third parties. So again, being able to quickly measure things like shaft and mandrel shafts is a huge benefit to the business. So I'm sure it will pay for itself many times over just in the time saving.
I think the first big batch of really accurate parts came through probably a week or so after we had the machine installed, and it dropped our inspection time for them like 2 days down to like an hour or so.
It's also good when customers come to see our facility and look at what we do, and they're looking for some confidence in our ability to meet their requirements. So having a VICIVISION machine is huge in that respect, because it gives them some confidence. They can see we're investing in technology, we're trying to improve what we do and the quality of our products. We've been able to improve our lead times, we're able to assure the accuracy of the components that go into our machines, and therefore we can give sort of warranties to our customer with a degree of confidence, knowing that they're going to work and do what they're supposed to do. Yeah. It's fairly straightforward. The user interface is simple and easy to understand, and the machine does most of it itself for you. So once you have the program established in your database, simply click on the program and it measures the part that you're trying to measure. So simple and easy to use. If you're a company that are working to tight tolerances, making precision parts, or even buying in precision parts that you need to inspect, I'd highly recommend VICIVISION. It's very easy to use. It will massively increase the speed at which you can inspect parts. Repeatability is excellent, and the quality is superb. And then added to which the support service you get from the company is second to none. So I'd highly recommend it to anybody.